Hi everyone, this is Jared, AC7WH, Backyard Ham Radio, and this is the coolest looking experimental loop antenna that I have ever seen. So this is one that my friends Kevin and Bailey helped make for me. They made the cross beam with the wooden dowels, and they helped me string the wire as well. So let's take a look at how this all works. So there is the coax cable with the un-un. You've probably seen it before in some of my other videos. And look at this. This is a multi-loop antenna with 128 feet, the same wire that I've used for other things. 128 feet of wire, so about 40 meters or so. And that is about a quarter of a wavelength on a 160 meter band. This is how it goes through there. And these are friction fittings, by the way. Kevin did an amazing job with this. He knew I wanted to do an experimental antenna, and so he offered to help me with it. He's much better with woodworking than I am. I can kind of dream about it, but he knows how to actually make it work. And Bailey was a tremendous help in stringing the wire and tensioning it. That's really cool. Bailey is Kevin and Amanda's daughter, and they are my neighbors. Bailey has a little brother named Lennox, and they're an amazing family, and they helped me out so much with this. And Bailey is 7 years old, and she is interested in ham radio. And I've enjoyed sharing ham radio with my neighbors, and she's hoping to talk on the ham radio soon. Bailey is, and lots of neighbors are. So we'll see how that all works out. But this is the cross antenna, and we'll see what sort of tuning I can get. I'm going to run an analysis on this hopefully later tonight, and hopefully in a future video I'll be able to report back on how it's doing. But as you can see, it's not humongous, but it's big enough that it should be able to get me something here. We'll see what happens. I have a feeling good things are going to happen. All right, let's look at one more angle here, and then I'll get ready to sign off. All right. So that is pretty cool. That's what it looks like elevated by being on the deck, and then just the height of the cross as well. All right. Well, this is Jared, AC7WH, Backyard Ham Radio, 73.